Hi ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the new Engel Völkers property tour. We are on the beach side of Marbesa and on this fantastic spot, and I'm going to show you today how it looks if Ibiza style is meeting Marbella. So let's enjoy and have a look. And look at this beautiful living space. It's such cozy and beautiful designed, which gives you the open plan kitchen feeling totally, because this iconic kitchen, have a look, it's totally oak. It's entire oak kitchen with a lot of massive space, a very smart design, and also all appliances are from Miele. And if you go further, you come into this beautiful dining area, which again gives you with this round table a very nice feeling of, again, this coziness of this poor large living space. And it's an extension of the living space with this beautiful large terrace where we just walk out now. And you know what? From here, you have a very beautiful sea view. The villa is divided in 3 levels. Basically, it offers you 4-bedroom en suite. We have another guest toilet here on the living area, another guest toilet down in the garage. The garage, by the way, is big enough for fitting 2 cars. There is a large entertainment area and also a gym space. Coming down now from the main terrace, from the living area, it leads you here to a beautiful pool area. And as you see, it has a kind of bar, which is also excellent decorated. And over here is the very beautiful large infinity pool. It is also heated, which gives you the guarantee to enjoy the sun all year long, and of course, the sunny Marbella lifestyle. This beautiful villa is located in Marbesa. Marbesa is one of the most popular beach sites of Marbella East. And we are just far away, half an hour from the Malaga airport, just 15 minutes drive to the famous Porto Banús. And from here, from your home, you just walk 5 minutes down to the most beautiful and sandy beaches of Marbella. To be honest, I'm a little bit sad to say already goodbye to our beautiful Villa Senses, the most spectacular Ibiza-style villa here in Marbella East. If you need more information, click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. Stay a little longer and see the property by night.